Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about the this year's NEET question paper. I have solved all the questions. I have taken the set G5. First question is question number 91. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives alpha D glucose plus beta D glucose. Option number 2, alpha D glucose plus beta D fructose. Option number 3, alpha D fructose plus beta D fructose. And option number 4, beta D glucose plus alpha D fructose. Sucrose is a disaccharide. In sucrose molecule, glucose remains as alpha D glucoside and fructose remains as beta D fructoside. Therefore, on hydrolysis, sucrose gives alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Therefore, the correct option is option number 2. Question number 92. Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentene to form pen-2-ene is A. Beta elimination reaction, B. Follows Jetty-Save rule, C. Dehydrohalogenation reaction, D. Dehydration reaction. Option number 1 is ACD, option number 2 is BCD, option number 3 is ABD, and option number 4 is ABC. Carbon attached to bromine is alpha carbon. Carbon attached to alpha carbon is beta carbon. Hydrogen attached to beta carbon is beta hydrogen. In this molecule, there are two types of beta hydrogen. Two beta hydrogen attached to C3 and 3 beta hydrogen attached to C1. Here, beta hydrogen from C3 will be eliminated predominantly to produce the main product pen-2-ene according to Sergeyev's rule. Hence, this is 1,2 elimination or beta elimination reaction. And it also follows Jetty-Save rule, that means Sergeyev's rule. And of course, it is a dehydrohalogenation reaction, as hydrogen bromide is eliminated here. This reaction is not dehydration reaction because water is not eliminated here. The correct option is option number 4. Question number 93. The number of Faradays required to produce 20 gram of calcium from molten calcium chloride. For the cathode reaction is Ca2 plus 2Ic in equilibrium with calcium. 2 electrons involved to deposit 1 calcium 2 plus ion. That means 1 mole calcium 2 plus is deposited by 2 Faradays of electron. 20 gram calcium, that means half mole of calcium is deposited by 1 Faraday of electricity. Question number 94. An element has a body center cubic structure with a cell age of 288 picometer. The atomic radius is option 1 root 2 by 4 into 288 picometer, option 2 4 by root 3 into 288 picometer, option 3 4 by root 2 into 288 picometer, and option 4 root 3 by 4 into 288 picometer. For BCC structure, radius r equals to root 3 by 4 a. Where a equals to edge length, therefore the atomic radius equals to root 3 by 4 into edge length, that means root 3 by 4 into 288 picometer. Therefore, the correct option is option number 4. Now, question number 95. HCl was passed through a solution of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, and sodium chloride. Which of the following compounds crystallize or crystallizes? Option 1 is only NaCl, option 2 is only magnesium chloride, option 3 is NaCl, MgCl2 and calcium chloride, and option 4 is both magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. As the solubility of NaCl is less than calcium chloride and magnesium chloride, on passing HCl gas through the solution NaCl, MgCl2 and calcium chloride, NaCl, that is sodium chloride, only precipitates. Because the product of concentration of Na plus ion and Cl minus ion exceeds its solubility product. That means concentration of Na plus into concentration of Cl minus is greater than the Ksp of NaCl. Ksp means solubility product of NaCl. Therefore, the correct option is option number 1. Question number 96. Find out the solubility of NiOH whole twice in 0.1 molar NaOH solution, given that the ionic product of NiOH whole twice is 2 into 10 to the minus 15. Option 1, 2 into 10 to the minus 8 molar. Option 2, 1 into 10 to the power minus 13 molar. Option 3, 1 into 10 to the power 8 molar. Option 4, 2 into 10 to the power minus 13 molar. Ionic product of NiOH whole twice is equal to 2 into 10 to the minus 15. Here the concentration of OH minus ion is 0.1 molar, that is equal to 10 to the minus 1 molar. Ionic product K equals to concentration of Ni2 plus into square of concentration of OH minus ion. Therefore the concentration of Ni2 plus ion equals to K divided by concentration of OH minus ion square equals to 2 into 10 to the minus 15 divided by 10 to the minus 1 whole square equals to 2 into 10 to the minus 15 divided by 10 to the minus 2, that is equal to 2 into 10 to the minus 13 molar. Concentration of OH minus coming from NiOH whole twice can be neglected as it is very low. Therefore the solubility of NiOH whole twice is 2 into 10 to the minus 13 molar. Therefore the correct option is option number 4. Question number 97. For the reaction 2Cl gas to Cl2 gas, the correct option is option number 1, Delitzsch reaction is greater than 0 and Delitzsch reaction is less than 0. Option number 2, Delitzsch reaction is less than 0 and Delitzsch reaction is greater than 0. Option number 3, Delitzsch reaction is less than 0 and Delitzsch reaction is less than 0. Option number 4, Delitzsch reaction is greater than 0 and Delitzsch reaction is also greater than 0. Here, the Cl-Cl bond formation is occurred. And you know, bond formation is an exothermic process. So the change of enthalpy in this process, that is Delitzsch reaction, is less than 0. Again, in this process, the number of particles decreases. Here, two atoms is converted to one molecule. Disorderliness is decreased and degree of disorderliness decreased. Delitzsch is negative. That means that Delitzsch reaction is less than 0. Therefore, the correct option is option number 3. Question number 98. Which of the following is the correct order of increasing field strength of ligands to form correlation compounds? Option 1, HCl minus less than F minus less than Cl minus less than C2O2 minus. Option 2, F minus less than HCl minus less than oxalate 2 minus less than Cn minus. Option 3, Cn minus less than C2O2 minus less than HCl minus less than F minus. And option 4, HCl minus less than F minus less than C2O2 minus less than Cn minus. You know, according to spectrochemical series, the correct option is HCl minus less than F minus less than oxalate ion less than Cl minus. There is a right option is option number 4. Question number 99. The calculated spin-only magnetic moment of Cr2 plus ion is option 1, 4.9 Bohr magneton, option 2, 5.92 Bohr magneton, option 3, 2.84 Bohr magneton, option 4, 3.87 Bohr magneton. The spin-only magnetic moment equals to root over n into n plus 2 Bohr megaton. This is the formula. Now, electronic configuration of chromium atom is 3d5 4s1, but that of Cr2 plus ion electron goes from 4s electron and from 3d 4 4s 0. Therefore, the number of unpaired electrons is equal to 4. Therefore, mu equals to root over 4 into 4 plus 2 equals to about 4 into 6 root 24 is equal to 4.9 approximately. Therefore, the right option is option number 1. The remaining part of the solution will be published in the next upcoming videos to minimize the size of each video. Don't miss to watch. Thanks to everyone.